going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison if you are new here. Before we jump into today's video, make sure that you are subscribed by clicking that big red button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot and I would super appreciate it. Let's self-promo before we jump into today's video. All of the jewelry that I am wearing is from my brand, Local the Label. You guys can check it out on localthelabel.com. One piece I want to highlight in this video is this little smiley ring. It's so cute. All of the gold jewelry is extremely high quality, tarnish resistant, water resistant. It's just everything you would want in a piece of gold jewelry. Today I'm sharing with you guys my updated everyday brow routine. I made a video and review of the Refy brow gel, but since then I've incorporated a few more products. So this is my brows today with nothing in them. I thought that I would just bring you guys along on kind of my everyday brow tutorial. I ended up picking up the whole Refy set, and you guys, I'm so obsessed. I don't think I've ever been so obsessed with the brow product, or 3 brow products in my whole life. Just started selling Refy at Sephora, and this came in a set, so I just decided to pick up the whole set. So I'm just gonna jump in and show you guys what I do. I got the dark shade. My eyebrows are naturally pretty light, but I do tint them every so often, so they still have some tint in them. I have really thick bushy brows, but they do tend to kind of lay flat, and so any brow product that will push the brows up is just so I'm just starting off with the with the actual brow pencil. I love the spoolie on this guy. It's a dual-ended stick. One side has a spoolie, and I'm just going to start by brushing all of my brows up. I will go ahead and link all of the products down below, as well as some other brow products that I really like that are a little bit more affordable if you want to achieve the same look, but just throw some different options down for you guys. Okay, now that they're all brushed up, I am just going in with the pencil, and I don't know if this is like the exact steps that you're supposed to take. This is just what works for me, and I really like the way that they turn out. So as you can see, I have these like little sparse areas right here. I just like to lightly fill those in with really light brush strokes, and then I just take it all through the brow. Now I'm just going to brush that through to break up any lines that could have formed. I just like them to look as natural as possible. I do really like the look of this pencil. It really blends them in, makes them look a little bit fuller. So then I'm gonna go in with this guy, and this is the actual like brow pomade. I don't find myself reaching for this as much as the pencil. I just think the pencil is so quick and easy and efficient, and I'm all about that. But basically at the top here we have this little angled brush, and then if we unscrew this, it's like a little pot of product. You need seriously the tiniest amount of this. It's a lot. The product is actually a lot like more pliable than I originally thought. I thought it'd be kind of hard but it's really soft, and so I just want the tiniest amount, and I just use this to kind of create a more defined line underneath the brow. And then I can just kind of fill in any sparse areas like this. So now I'm just going in. This is my all-time favorite brow setting product. I am absolutely obsessed. You don't want to use too much or else it can look a little bit white casty. So I just take this and I'm just scraping off the excess like so. And I always like to start from the middle of my brow out and then do the front at the end, and I just like to brush them up like this. This product is so good at giving you that laminated brow effect without actually having to laminate your brows. It looks a little crazy right now, but I promise it will all work out. And I always like to brush the front brows up like so. Okay, wow, these seriously look so crazy right now, but I'm just going to pop the top off, and it has this nice little tool. Just like to kind of place them where I want the brows, like so. I really like this brush. I feel like it really breaks up the product. Also, I'm realizing that the last time I trimmed my eyebrows, they're so uneven. They should stay. I'm gonna go and take you out into some natural lighting so you can see. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed, and we will see you next Sunday. Bye. P.S. Don't forget to check out Local the Label. Love to see you guys there. That's just localthelabel.com. And I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.